if you ever need to recover messages that were removed from your chat, here's how you can do it. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your device. After that, tap on your avatar in the top left corner. Once you are on your profile, click on the settings icon at the top right. Here find and tap on My Privacy and Data. Furthermore, click on My Data. On the next page, you will find several types of data you can export. Make sure the chat history is selected. Then scroll down and hit the next button. Furthermore, choose the date range for the data you want to retrieve. When you are ready, hit the submit button. Finally, Snapchat will prepare your data and send a download link to your email. Once you download the file, you can view all of your previous conversation, including the messages that were deleted. And that's all. If this video helped, feel free to subscribe for more tips and tricks.